Hey everybody, Scott here from Camco. Today I'm going to be telling you about Eaz-Lift's Elite-S weight distributing hitch kit. First, be sure to click like and subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on another new Camco video. The Elite-S weight distributing hitch kit has a no chain design with permanent built-in sway control. The sway control uses 2 points of steel-on-steel bracket friction to stop and correct the trailer sway. The hookup brackets provide installation flexibility, allowing you to install the hitch around battery boxes, gas tanks, and other items that may impede the installation of other weight distributing hitch kits. The brackets also allow it to be compatible with top mount and bottom mount coupler style trailers. Unlike other hitches, the Elite-S uniquely features an adjustment washer instead of a thumb screw to modify the ball mount angle for adjusting spring bar preload. So there you have it, the Elite-S weight distributing hitch kit from Camco. If you don't have one, you should get one today.
Camco.